na otio 2016 na say no otie enipa we ade we and there's a new baba ware no e de ko share ye guy basement and the camera send you know a camera woman wo New York Times it in the camera and the best say no the man say kwasia if say what yen wonya adwuma oni adwuma yo ni yiri papers na cover no on hwe yiri if say na yiri di kura na dan so na on hwe ban hwe yiri nti obetrasia kwasesem nko a
Ada for more akabashon kwa Fabrad party and che bia NRL sembi esi wo Kumasi aduma no nam so makofu bebre na ehwe ma japade na ma jahye course wo no no na Kevin Taylor ebetutu bi edemane asantefo binum wa bra ye raba o me kopiem wo honom no ende Kevin Taylor ebetutu bi edemane o mu ye pa nya asem kota na nsem okan no na chese ebi entwa ye kra na ide okateche fifa abetutu bi edemane Kevin Taylor nya asem kota we de ne maame ene ne papa ni nuanum din nyina ebaamu ende otutu bi edemane ne yire kra edi ebaamu a chese nya asem kota ende okateche fifa fans pe Kevin Taylor kra ende watutu bi edemane ne ye pa enye asem kota odofo yenti nsama odo bi a okateche fifa abetutu edemane Kevin Taylor na mne nsema odo bi a oka edefa asantefo eho
eko kan nsem bia na menya we se even se nipa no omo ya ade no na ye nkranfo na ye a try crow we me humo reaction eno kura na manya deliberate say me single out a ye menuanom nkranfo to insult them the humo reaction and this weekend a certain video was going on me am going to say men kan ho asem obi me am going to say men kan ho asem because then but voice of conscience, voice of reasoning can never keep quiet on this, regardless of where you come from. Where you're not now, where you're fancy, where you're ever, where you're dear, na utie sa de we, na o support here. Let your own conscience be your guide.
More fire.
Yagobi, me who say out of the blue. Asantini bia so camera sini so edidi togba fede attempts on developing the chrome da yenuanu sori ya ni attempts santini so and on developing the chrome na santehine no what is saying enso ni chrome kumase no e feche mu nyina mu chrome eti afedie ba bio so mine na developing ni nyina ye ka ho asem ade na dru nkran ya mo de sha ban edu voter mo de shaban ekodu kuma se nko ade na santehine na anya amane yatre kom ha ye hwo obi yechimit na ha emie nuanu mu bi ene na nadom ahene apekwan bi so a de tan abeto eye bono ene asantentem e wa abra wono na nadom ahene nko a na ne santefo ko wa hyeda manipulate amana kwa santefo ne bono fo won tokwa obi na chance ya yehwe ade na yiti national security omukura gota they are not picking intelligence on this
More fire.
Afa ko wiye se afedie da biada ese tam santini si ho me hu se santini bia tam eye se bi ye nuanom notness ahemfo edna be si ho se ye develop enough etie ni di wo hene na tam se develop enough aso da bia na mutwa adai Jesus Christ obi me hu se santini bia tam eye osabari makosi atesi ho se ye develop Cape Coast etuodi adai me nuanom adai kobi wodem se ko Kumasi aye bai me ne mo ka asem bo ka ni sawa se ma medru nkran ya na me hunu hatred e ma se me hu bita se ma medru nkran ya e se ye nyina ye bai me ne aye ameto me ne ameto na se class you won't even see difference
Precisely so.
me ne sule me Nash na da menena kona na Nash me ko Kumasi ya video na mo hwe no ono Nash na wo se bi preduasa e bia ye ka mese akon ka mese no Nash ka kire me ko afri fa se me menya asantini won na ya asantini no ne santehine ne bohye oti ya Santo Street woni yewra ne bohye and he is right if se me ja asantime mu ba nkran na mbebo bra won ne tewo eto ya asantini obi ye nchemo afi ya bedru ha Bia so they odidi asante atem and a young crofobia dead. So they won't speak against it.
More fire.
And the ironical bit is that asante for sure so mo defend or mo pe or a tribal bigot. On my way, all it takes for an asante to be a tribal bigot is to mention say me ya asanteni. Yes, or a tribal bigot. Onidi obi atemu or you proud so ya asanteni keke. Yes, or a tribal bigot. And so yen nuanu mo amaka no bibre. Mo teme de esi ho e de nipa tem asante for enkwasiafo o mo yenkurasefo o mo ayi. Asante for nkabrofo. Na enye inferiority complex na hamwa ovi. Na nkabrofo so ya de yi. And them kikamu say mo language ye extinct. Asante for believes in themselves. Just like the British. Omo kasa no omo say be dominate. O dey also become brofo. At then a war time will be because they believe in themselves. At day. At dey be no. Na fa bedum pempenso bi. Yenko tie sa voice. Ye tie wi a sabi me ne sa branche ene me no ka say sa branche na say sneak in wa bakuru ni mu under the protection of national security me no ka say no adwumre ana obai kwasia ya wodidi atam yo watikuru ni mu Danibo
Santifoni bi ye mmoa bugina PZ boton ade na mo mfa so akodi twe mo de akodi ajantrafo gomofo kwasiafo agantoma aban na enkotam sika every Bank of Ghana fambrɛ wo nana na otam asase ne ma wo no wo nana na obutu oba so kono ho koji sika kwasiafo abofunu kwasiafo munye sika o PZ na koto red maya mo dross mu kan mu nko school de muni ma ne se ye de ya ton chains akoto red anom kwasia oje se Ghana nyina ni Kumasi PZ mu nyina John so mo bon John so mo asantefo mbrantie ni bi eni ti na MPP use mo jimi mo lucky say jane to ho na mo nda ye kebe hye sem emmoa mo jejejeje PZ na mo ton fake belt fake jeans mo wiawia nkofo tutu nkofo bag mo wia na mo akoto red ni jantrafo o pa abansi case store na wo store mo bi mo jimi PZ abandia na ba omi akwase akoto cement abrewa ko na ho kwaji cement ni bi so so e ade na mo nkom na ho kwaji cement emmoa sa santini a wejimi no o de se cobra nko 50 wejimi up santifoni bi ye mmoa bugina PZ
repeat you voice of conscience to Krumha. Abrantewe is being used by NDC as a tool to manipulate political systems. Anytime I be biaba buying one back on the wall beyond. Almost that my Abrantewe be did the Asante for them. Now the emotions are setting in. Now you say, Obi. Now can you some nyanka? Anka nipa tantain to say Abrantewe. To say Sumina Swadi o general. Fanebra na jina. Kofi. Oko drew peace at one what did you matter so mo jonjon a. And nipa tina wa bobra.
More fire.
Esia dying. It was several millions of dollars getting.
Precisely. So more fire.
The only achievement of Kwasiawe. Kwasia to say the only achievement of Kwasiawe is say broni baba ware no na kanye sa baby onenam aka say na na otiu 2016 na say no otie enipa we ade we and say you baba ware no e de ko share ye guy basement and the camera send you know a camera woman wo New York Times it in the camera and the best say no the man say Kwasia if say what here won adwuma oni adwuma yo okwa America 2018 okodo America no ono mo nhwe ba if say ne ba no ne yiri papers ne cover no onhwe yiri if say ne yiri di kura na dan so obusa no a ne papa di ni Taylor et wono ne yiri di na dan so na onhwe ba nhwe yiri nti obetrasia Kwasese mu nko a hwade we yo na govi yankan sisu dua se asantema mu nko a ana akodura ye wa anwonaga ye o mosinso ye wa alaba ne na o mu nyina ate
Fantini Town.
asantema mu nko na akodura Fantini Town anwonaga e wo ho ne no mu nyina ate abrantie ya wo gina ha yi wo ya anwonani people ne maame free denu abrantie we ne papa free aye odo o papa ne tu bata free aye fantema mu betena aboase asantefo hospitality nti na abrantie we ye nipa
expose him
More fire.
Obi.
Powerful.
Abranti.
Powerful.
Omame every day no. Omame ene de omame picture be kire. Ni ade ni nuanom picture kire. Said you de nkrofo maame no omo papa no besi wo twa omo da pa. Ye de ntwa omo da pa. Na me ye bebuso na busuafo question. Say eti de mo nua no ye wo kroma no. De mo ba ne ye wo kroma no. So obi de mo picture to no ye mo se bia ntike be mo de. Yabi you da yiri ma me influence abeba ho.
Train.
You from about you win answer. Obi. Etimi tena o makwase mpani wei. The dear Santifo atem. Na o mo jonso. Na hwe wo hu a wo di gina ho yi a. Etu ni pizza temra nche o mabobra. Wa na o mo wo jonso. Ene ye de o papa efi a wotim be kire. O papa himfi ye de be kire. Yin a kire o papa esere Samira ba omia so metoka ama no. O papa esere Samira wa omia so mra mesi na himfi ma. Kwase ya wei. Etimi dear Santifo atem. Wayo, adie ye gina as a baller bed, as a baller so sumina so nyoma. O dia Santifo atem. Eno eye menuanu mu bi de. Ni braba kofi, enkrofo lusu omunioma no. Sa nipa na lusu omunioma na has now become a victim of abuse from kwasia sei. Aside say omo lusu omunioma. Ah oyawa omo fam. Omo twetiri ahye. Na omo nya obi amu omo. Na akwawe betra wa. Or use internet to abuse these people. And this guy, so when you're a victim of Sakwa a venom, the acidic behavior, you will never understand it.
Precisely
so. This guy is so or you callous, he is evil, he doesn't have any boundary. Like a nipa and your mercy. Imagine the kind of people the yawa when you shame more, you shut up.
Precisely so.
And beside that, so omo bone ne say, omo si mutaka de mo abra omo, omo anye, kadechie de mo akọ. Me kon me individual. And me use my platform. And the organize sika. And the mo. Mutaka ko say oye government official. And mutaka yo omunua. Omo ne mutaka na tena kumase. Mutaka yo omunua. It is a mutaka de mo aba. Na so anfa sika nka ho. Okoduru ho no kura no. Empanifo ho no obi ankasa. Okoduru ano ko ne nam wa no boye no mo ye no mo se empamu. One consulting penny for no. Gentrom Cassie and Pemon say, what banasa samatria? Any year, Busa yen, a diana haye, a buy one mobi or their mind. Obaya, OTT had said a flat victim. Now they see a fiashe. I don't know, and so uniform. Now so Yakosi tent. Now go any assistant to her. I refugees them. A tomo yan say, a monk one day yempe. Then no one on hindsight.
Yes.
Does that warrant the kind of insult that this baller bed of an idiot?
More fire.
Let your child you we. Adia we you. And the young cophobic dead. Yen among phobic de yomote. Yen notness hemote. Because and no would it. And you see, funny enough, what we said, yen notness.
More fire.
And we support this foolishness. Minister for Chieftaincy and the culture, national security. Lucky Ayayan who Kromanes and the 40 Nina Nekasa. And the biggest tribe in this country. It's the Muya Nomka Somberita, Eliative physically. It would be so many Abacoye. At the Penano. I didn't hear Yansan. Nagobi, young Korea Quasia winning a Chisoma bra. I will know a nipa bobra a chain papa. Ne papa betna a year obuasi. A petition be about gas like with me. And I'll call with me. Young Korea papa him fee. Young Korea papa him fee. We are to an Amina, you're the prince, Amina, you're this. Or papa him fee and you go. Or papa him fee. Or Kevin tell papa him fee. Me come in some steer. I come in manai. Kevin tell papa infini. Kwasi ampeni or two with the pattern. Or papa infini na ni achiremne a premier headquarters. Or papa infini. Kevin Teller. I what did in the pattern. Or papa infini. I yell do infini. I'm a prince. I'm a prince. Nini. Prince Sobe. Baby or did or papa. When we Gina who did in the pattern no. Kevin Teller papa infini. Awani and munche muni. Kevin Teller papa him few. I would Jina what did in the pattern go be any. A quawe ne did yes and the water. And the engine on the area. Quasia say. Quasia to say. Or pine fear no near draw what said yes shrine. We or pine fear. Comfort ye be him fear kura wogina wo. Comfort ye be him fear fetch away 1 million times.
More fire.
To papa bobrano. Na me ya him fear me fra him fear. O papa come tell papa him fear. Ayodo him fear. Na we dey did ni part.
More fire.
Yanko obuase ne yanko hwefia na otimu obuase. Kwase ase yi. Na mon kan kore.
More fire.
Kevin Taylor. Amatela. Ana edidi asantefo atem. Ana ye menuanom anwonafo de. Eye menuanom not necessary de. Odi obetimi atan asantefo se de opa bia.
More fire.
Obi yanko ne opapa. Edi abra na papa bo.
Fire.
Obi yanko ne yanko hwe eye se wo benya ne omufia no motimo obuase a ene Kevin Taylor dwada no mu ye na kwasieto wei we dey dia sante fortem we ya and we dey dia sante fortem fane papa car otwie o papa car otwie obi auction car president Gufo car wo krama eye health ministry for and wo papa koto auction car 2015 car na car no cry was way back 2008 no papa koto we o papa fie ni o Kevin Taylor papa fie na akwese mponchi bu no enso wo mu nipa bia asase su di department Kevin Taylor papa car otwie ni ne papa Range Rover ni we na timi tra wodi di pizza te fo atem obi ade we you o papa fie wo timuni o papa ka wo otwini saka we president Gufo time no krama Ghana health service o mo ba ye joma ma mbai na o papa no o mo so am Kevin Taylor ye pipi no ye da ko ye pipi ye beti o papa na anu asem a wo kasa fe de ye hunu kanea no eti ye ko MPP Kevin Taylor papa na ma me nyina ye NDC fo
More fire.
Kofi. Ya baba meba. Oba pesere ke be yi Samira ba omia ka ne ade nyina ye baba wo bia. Kwase awe.
Na flowers.
Na Kofi. Fa Kevin Taylor ma me a picture bra. But ye ethical. So we won't show her face. Ya cover na nim for a reason. Na me busa ne ma me ne question. Say to ma me said ye otimi tina ho. E ma oba ne timi de nkrofo ma me no besi ho. Etwa o mada pa no. Eti won ka be ofe. Na kwasia to sise wo a o maame afi bi yesan boga o maame di afi bi yesan tuma ana ko studio afi bi yesan tuma e ko studio ko twa picture that means na daka mu tuma papa ni afi bi yesan ana wo tra odidi nkofo atem Kevin Taylor photo shoot o ba me ko ye photo shoot o studio afi bi yesan no de koy wei adado akini do hunu no we dey dey asante atem no ni nua muni ni nua boys mienu ana o mu gina o maame nchen well na ti mo amu nua no kwase ade a wode manfo abusua na ye ka ne neka ne kina ada Kevin Taylor de obi abusua beba begu social media bio ye de ono so abusua beba begu na Ghana for don baby o maye
More fire.
ade be no ade mo asem ye so kroma asa ade be no akofide be no asante fon jonso na wo nua no agina ha nti wo mu wan na 2 pizza te fo no mo gina ho fire ni nua boy ni Stacy and me no kasi we bra wo man ni mu state security na ebo ne ho bai kwase to sei
Papa. I'm sneaking in.
Ewa Berachi so did asante for atem. A boy NDC. Ni nua boy ni. Very nice gentleman. Very nice gentleman.
Precisely so.
And we are not unethical. So we are not going to show their face the way you have been doing. But we are questioning them. Saying to say, wouldn't we know the omo yen a year? Efe. Kofi. I don't know. Afe yen hwe Kevin Taylor yire no kura wo me yaso nkwa didi a chese da bia no didi e ma chem na we say Italian money box seven preduasa o twa ne yire ti free ho a ne yire nie when otimi didi manfo yire no atem tam yire si odi kwase to wey
and then enough flowers
original hacks we was original hacks into money frano. So when me court no so da me dem se man so ye betwen a we insisa na do court no di me Kofi na yire ni ade bia wo didi ni patem Kevin Taylor papa na gina ho one dey me di kan show na nim so o ma me ni nuanom de I want to give them the benefit of the doubt say I will bone no wa wo na sebi na ntisa de anka ma me de obey ye ntie ye ade ba no na Santefo ho Johnson wonua wo yira wo gina wo dia na sen Johnson che ade ba no
Ghana ni ba ben obitim de no ho
ati demand for Tracy watch Tracy success Sako de yiro this and we accept this foolishness
pound for pound
catch them ne e catch them china sa otan no ye de tan Santefo no say to aso a national security chieftaincy minister munyina munim the esi the end result and na hwetan a eda aye bonofo ene Asantefo nte e bo abra yen kai ba bia bono ne Asantefo ko ntokwa na na do ma hene nioma wo yenti Bianca wasem and they quite wakan kodru so bekum nipa the deep seated hatred for Asantis by do ma hene and wo yusu enuanom bonofo o de omo ye ono an personal agenda na me ka kire me kan se me kire no na do ma hene ye aduanani mesia gya hene amanse edumasa aduanefo ho ka ho etimi hu ne same papa but na do ma hene dia na wa year over the years no senkolan kai wo amodi mbonia
more fire
wa gwen dia wo ye no Eshiranka munyina so what na say na dia branch we all continuous abuse on the people of Asante
precisely
so na say you da let your conscience be your guide
exactly so
if say me kokuma sese ya kovi me hu me nua ko na ye me se ma man kran na me nim se otan ni so deep say hu bi da na kuma se fo yen kura se fo na kuma se fo yen kwase fo na kuma sa
just look at that
ya wo famo ko Germany o mototo water closet be fe na bia mo mu bi ne nempoano what da so bu ye se yen kura se fo mama me kan sem kro ni ho ana me se akoye se ye kan sem keke but if it continues the likelihood that national security when in your man mofa now look at even social media when you open social media look at the kind of insult that goes on there and national security is not concerned ana mo sa Asantefo na mo titi ye US no a mo ye na me ye UAE New York Asante hene ana me ade when they say US emra ma ho kwan say obi metina ho na whole tribe on use social media what is happening to you guys what to hear day it more sense about the US one day money ma choro some choro ko Facebook say nipa we dey a certain tribe obi ato ba bia de bia wo inside other tribes against them ade ba no more fire and members of parliament amotia at the US embassy yes so be here there to say a whole tribe which has the tendency of erupting the tribal tensions you omo ka omo nyina ka
interduafo
omo tuafo
no kwa oba ni omo de ne koba
NDC for mo wi ni aba na wi e de ba biwa mo na mo hye Kevin Taylor achi ana mo ma Kevin Taylor ye de mo ye nyina mo wi ni aba wi e de ba biwa e de an time be be e de ba no it looks like the only time will be a tribalistic and so obeka se me Asantini onidi obi atem kra roka so ya Asantini or tribalistic and ya no so de yan kan si sudua me kwa free farm tie me ya Asantini be ma me de Kwame a free farm mensa me free Asante agona yes sechere na me free me nana ene me nana me nyame kese ene Sante hene se tutu ye beka ne ye beka ne china ye beka ne chinachi ontiase a kone ko hage transformer yesi what na kanya asemo a me ka me nana se tutu a oso ka ode na nya fai ade na otanye ni bra tantan sa na de be no no and also be suru so onka because the moment abeka say woko kampe yes so you tribalistic are you people okay ade na abuse you abuse people then you turn around and play the victim's card you keep on abusing us and you turn around and play the victim's card
Abuja finance maudro okatechwa fifa betutu ediaman Kevin Taylor ene ekoni ekuti na chesenya asam ketua ewo honom kra obaswa share nkoto afa comment eto asemidi dia no uso mofa mesen share ebiem
Mr. Mankwa me wo fase wo se ni sika bane ade awie ni project no eso de bia me wo fase ka mane wo problem
enemremu na monte tap sending kan
no so ne de
tap send dey easy fast and secured way ubetimi send sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa awo be ne say
kire ne se won ko App Store na Play Store on download the tap send app no or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code Oma the Pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubeti me call tap send app no create wallet also. And it's a rate in the costra now the sika ko gu wallet no. And I say mpo ubeti me to susun kakra. And ti abre sema ope so send sika ba Ghana no. No answer was send sika na ba Ghana. And I say oba o my Ghana mu. What in here you sika e wa wallet no. Tia.
And you said to say you sumo Ghana hey no.
Sa pepe. Say see a tap send that trainer shim. Kopium wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap send na.
Papa no.